chefs with a seasoned hand, battering and frying. Oh, wait a friend, let me tell you how they do it, step by step, in the heart of the kitchen, where the flavors are kept. They batter and fry, oh my, oh my, biting catfish, shrimp to the sky. Big portions served with a friendly smile. At Horace and Dickies, it's worth your while. First they take the fish, so fresh and clean, white and catfish croaker, it's a seafood dream. Season it up with a touch of spice, dip it in the batter, oh it looks so nice. Then into the fire, golden bubbles rise, watch the fish dance right before your eyes. Crispy and tender, it's a work of art. From the fry to the plate, straight to your heart. They batter and fry, oh my, oh my, biting catfish, shrimp to the sky. Big portions served with a friendly smile. At Horace and Dickies, it's worth your while. They batter and fire, golden bubbles rise, watch the fish dance right before your eyes. Crispy and tender, it's a work of art. From the fryer to the plate, straight to your heart. They batter and fry, oh my, oh, whiting catfish, shrimp to the sky. Big portions served with a friendly smile. At Horace and Dickies, it's worth your while. Now croaker's got a bone, so you best beware. Some folks love it for the flavor they, but careful as you eat, take your time. It's the taste of tradition, oh so fine. A couple spots in DC, close gentrification stole. The Camp Spring still stands where the fishes go, near Joint Base Andrews, where the military dine with a discount for service. It's a real good thing, more style. At Horace and Dickies, it's worth your while. It's not a polished place, but that's okay. Locals flock here at the end of the day for the fried fish that's cooked with care. Big portions and smiles you'll always find there. So if you're ever down in Camp Springs way, stop by Horace and Dickies, where the fish do sway. Watch the shacks at work. It's a
What's your name?
Savin.